Good day everyone! Today I am going to discuss the language model. A language model is to specify correct probability distribution. The probability of all sentences in a language must sum to 1. Uses of language model. First, specific recognition. It is also known as automatic speech recognition or ESR. Computer speech recognition or speech to text is a capability which enable us programs to process human speech into a written. For example, I ate a cherry is a more likely sentence than I ate a cherry. OCR and handwritten recognition, more probable sentences are more likely correct readings. Traditional OCR is all about technology that has studied fonts and symbols enough to be able to identify almost or variations of machine printed text, but therein lies the limitations of traditional OCR. While read writing, there is simply too much variety. Machine translation, it is automatic translation from one language to another. The benefit of machine translation is that it is possible to translate large swathes of text in a very short time. Generation, it is more likely sentences are probability better natural language translation. Natural language generation is the use of artificial intelligence programming to produce written or spoken narrative from a dataset. Context-sensitive spelling correction. It is the task of connecting spelling errors which result in valid words. There are problems with these sentences. Completion of prediction. A language model is also support predicting the completion of a sentence. Example, please turn off your cell phone. Your program does not exist. Predictive text input system can guess what you are typing and give choices on how to complete it. It allows the user to enter text by pressing only one key per letter on a keyboard, where multiple letters share keys. Ingram's word models estimates probability of each word given prior context. An Ingram model uses only N1 words of prior context. We can have Ingram models over sequence of words, characters, syllables, or other units. Let's see the example of the screen. Markov assumption is the perception that the future behavior of the dynamic system only depends on its recent history. In particular, in a KTH order Markov model, the next start state only depends on the key most recent state. Therefore, an Ingram model is an N1 order Markov model. One of the important information about a language, in a string, a valid number of a language or not. The idea behind natural language process is to give computers the ability to process human language, to get computers to perform useful tasks involving human language, dialogue system, machine translation, questions answering. Please see the Ingram model formula in screen, which are word sequences, chain rule of probability, Big Gram approximation, and Ingram's approximation. Estimating probabilities, Ingram conditional probabilities can be estimated from raw text based on relative frequency of word sequences. See the biogram and Ingram on the screen. Given a sequence of N1 words, an Ingram model predicts the most probable words that might follow this sequence. It is a probabilistic model that trained on a corpus of text. Such a model is useful in many NLP applications, including speech recognition, machine translation, and predictive text input. Train and test corpora. Training corpus is a collection of texts containing manually validated linguistic information attributed to original text. Unknown words. How to handle words in the test corpus that did not occur in the training data. Out of vocabulary words. Train a model that includes an explicit symbol for an unknown word. Choose a vocabulary in advance and replace other words in the training corpus with U and K. Replace the first occurrence of the words in the training data with U and K. Perplexity. It is a measurement of how well a probability distribution or probability model predict a sample. It may be used to compare probability models. A low perplexity indicates the probability distribution is good at predicting the sample. This is the sample of perplexity evaluation. Models trained on 38 million words from the Wall Street Journal or WSG using 19,979 words vocabulary. Evaluate on this joint set of 1.5 million WSG words. Perplexity in Unigram 962, Biogram 170, and Trigram 109. Smoothing. Since there are a combinatorial number of possible strings, many rare but not impossible combination never occur in training, so the system incorrect assigns 0 to many parameters. See the example below. In practice, parameters are smooth to reassign some probability match to unseen events. Place add one smoothing. It is a simple smoothing technique that add 1 to count of all n-grams in the training set before normalizing into probabilities. Advanced smoothing. Many advanced techniques have been developed to improve smoothing for language model. Example, interpolation and backoff. Backoff. Only use lower order model when data for higher order model is unavailable. Count 0. Recursively back off to weaker models until data is available. Model combination. As n increases, the power of expressiveness of an n-gram model increase, but the ability to estimate accurate parameters from sparse data decreases. Example, the smoothing problem gets worse. A general approach is to combine the result of multiple n-gram models of increasing complexity, example, increasing n. Go. Language model assign a probability that a sentence is a legal string in a language. They are useful as a component of many NLP systems, such as ASR, OCR, and MT. Simple n-gram model are easy to train a corpora and provide useful estimates of sentence likelihood. N-grams gives inaccurate accurate parameters for models trained on sparse data. Smoothing techniques adjust parameters estimates to account for unseen but not impossible events. The importance of language model. Language modeling is a crucial part of modern NLP applications and is why machines understand qualitative information. In one way or another, each modern turns qualitative information in quantitative for better prediction, understanding. What are language models used for? Language model is used in speech recognition, machine translation, part of speech tagging, posing, optical character recognition, hand recognition, information retrieval, and other applications. In speech recognition, sounds are matched with word sequences. And thank you for listening, and that's all.